Welcome to our channel for reviews of indispensable kitchen utensils. Today, we're going to talk about the amazing Instant Pot Duo Plus electric pressure cooker. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with all the news. Leave your like to help us grow, and watch until the end to check out all the details of this thorough review. To make it easier, we've left a secure link to the site that sells this electric pressure cooker in the description. The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker is highly rated, with an overall score of 4.7 out of 5 stars based on 40,446 reviews. This appliance stands out for its versatility, combining 9 functionalities into a single device: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, sterilizer, and food warmer. This makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen, saving space and eliminating the need for multiple appliances. One of the main positive points is its efficient and fast performance. It allows you to cook one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods, which is ideal for people with busy schedules. At the same time, the slow cooking function lets you prepare traditional recipes with the quality and flavor of homemade food. The intuitive interface is another highlight. The steam release has been simplified with an easy-to-use steam release switch, making the process safer and more convenient, and it automatically resets when the lid is closed. The easy-to-read display includes a progress bar that allows you to track in real time which stage of the cooking program you are at. Additionally, the appliance features 15 customizable smart programs for cooking a variety of dishes, such as ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more, with just one touch. The inner cooking pot is made of food-grade stainless steel with a tri-ply bottom, offering more even cooking and an anti-spin design that keeps the pot secure for perfect sautéing. Quick and easy cleanup is a bonus, with fingerprint-resistant stainless steel sides and parts like the lid, inner pot, and accessories being dishwasher safe. In terms of safety, the Instant Pot Duo Plus includes more than 10 safety features, such as overheat protection and a safe locking lid, providing peace of mind during use. Ideal for growing families, the appliance cooks for up to 6 people, making it perfect for family meals or for those who do meal prepping and batch cooking. Additionally, it includes the Instant Brands Connect app, offering over 800 recipes, available for iOS and Android, helping to discover new recipes and create delicious meals with ease. Among the negative points, some users may find an initial learning curve when using all the functionalities of the appliance. Additionally, despite its versatility, the 6-quart model size might be insufficient for very large families or for those who often cook large quantities at once. However, most users find the Instant Pot Duo Plus extremely useful and efficient, becoming an indispensable tool in the kitchen. Leave your opinion about this electric pressure cooker in the comments, and if you have any questions, write them down so I can respond. If you've watched until now, don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you won't miss any new videos.